Introducing the model 170, HL170 tilt recline shower commode. Some of the key features with the 170 is the lightweight aluminum frame, which makes it very easy for people and clients to push in, so PSWs or support workers. You have the safety touch of the textured material, makes it very comfortable and soft to sit on the seat or the backrest for prolonged sitting. You have a bendable headrest that's flexible for any of the client's needs. You have flip back walkout arms that allows you for the transfers and for the client's safety to stay in place. You have a lumbar support, which I'll show in the tilt in a second. You have elevated calf supports, which again I will show when I tilt. You have adjustable footrests at the bottom to accommodate any client's needs in height. The tilt and recline feature is a really unique design that does both tilt and recline. So it helps to position the client properly in the chair so they're not only staying in it, but that they're also comfortable. The lumbar support gives very good positioning, and you have good calf support as well. The headrest also, some of the safety features with this shower chair is you have a bendable headrest, and this helps to keep control of the head, which is a safety feature. But it also acts for showering. It allows to accommodate for different clients' needs for support. Other safety features at the very bottom, you'll see anti-tippers. So if the client going over a threshold, or for safety features, it helps to prevent the client from tipping back. You also have 4 locking casters, which helps in the assist of the safety in the transfer and also when you're showering, so the client won't move. The other safety features I mentioned earlier is you have a lockout arm, which is adjusted by pulling out the red knob, which is located conveniently right there, and it locks into place. For transfer systems, the nice thing with the 170 Commode is you can remove the footrests and you can do a sit to stand transfer right here. So if some clients don't need to be Hoyer lift or mechanically lifted in, they can stand right next to this and transfer right on and also get off as well. If you're doing sit to stand transfer, the sit to stand can go right underneath the frame as well, so it allows you to get right up close. And if you're doing a sling transfer, you can do it either forward facing or you can do from this side.